All right, just to make this super simple, I think I also have this at the end of the formatting video with Joel Friedlander, but in case I don't, or in case you need to just see this on its own, let me walk you through how to save your print version as a PDF and how to save it as a slightly amended PDF for upload to IngramSpark. So here you've got, pretend this is your manuscript. It's fully formatted. It's ready to go. You'll come up here and click File, Print. I know it's odd, but first you do want to click Save and make sure you've saved the darn thing. But click Print, and I'm on a Mac, so I'm assuming that this is the same on a PC, but it may not be. Down here where it says PDF, you're going to click Save as PDF, and then it will open up your files, and you'll just decide where you want to save it. Pick somewhere where you won't forget, but throw it in there somewhere. Name it. What I like to do is name it either paperback PDF or paperback final, or you can have your title and have the word final. For some reason, I like to have the word final because if you're like me, you have multiple versions of this thing, and then click Save. It's now a PDF. So if you go back into your Finder and go back to wherever it was that you stored it, you'll be able to pull it up as a PDF. It just opens up right into Acrobat. Let's go back and save this as a slightly different version should you get the error message from IngramSpark. So you'll do File and you'll do Print again, but this time instead of doing Save as PDF, you're going to do Save as Adobe PDF. I don't know why they're different, but we're just going to go with it. What you're looking for is this right here, the PDF/X-1A:2001. So as you can see, there are a couple of different options here, but you want this one. And then after PDF creation, you're telling it to launch Adobe Acrobat, but you'll go ahead and click Continue. And the way I save this one is slightly different. I will actually go up here and I will call this Paperback Ingram so that I know. And I save those. Everything's in its own folder. You click Continue. Again, it automatically pulled up in Acrobat. So for organizational purposes, I have my files organized as such, and this is in my files, not in my document, but I'm just writing it out so you can see it. So I have one folder called Books, and then within that, I have a folder which is the title of my book, and then within that, I have a couple of different folders. One is formatted manuscripts, which is where these would go, whether it's the ebook or the paperback. And then I also have another folder within the book called Covers. Lots of times I will have a folder in here titled Blurbs or Testimonials. So I like to keep these things very organized, but that's just me. But if you're looking for a way to do it, that's how to do it. So hopefully that was helpful as a quick tip. If you're still running into issues, again, put them in the Facebook group or bring them to the call and we will get you all straightened out.